Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic name is Education for Women. The population of women is about equal to the population of men in the world. Many people think education is not necessary for women, but they are wrong. Education for all is the motto of the modern world. Knowledge is power. This power is necessary for men as well as women. Women have a right to get education. Our Holy Prophet ﷺ said seeking knowledge is obligatory for every Muslim. Men and women. It is said that if you educate men, you educate a single person. But if you educate a single woman, you educate a whole family. There are many advantages of educate for a woman. She can be a better mother. She can help her husband. She can prove to be a better daughter and a better sister. As educated women, our country will make great progress. An educated woman can be a good teacher and a good doctor. Education women are teaching in schools and colleges. They are working in banks. They are also working in different offices. Women's education contributes of the development to the country. All developing countries have realized to importance for education women. Therefore, it is extremely important of educate women. Thank you.